Iran is going to buy hundreds of Mi-17 helicopters from Russia. Iran have begun talks with Russia on a possible supply of 100 of new multi-purpose helicopters. The Iranian leadership is planning to buy new Russian multi-purpose helicopters Mi-17 to equip the national armed forces and internal security services. We also consider the question of the partial localization of helicopters on the territory of Iran from kits supplied from Russia. The Russian helicopters company has signed contracts with the Iranian helicopter support and renewal company on upgrading its maintenance and overhaul facility for Mi-17 helicopters. The Mi-17 is a Russian helicopter in production at two factories in Kazan and Ulaanbaatar. It is known as the Mi-18 series in Russian service. It is a medium twin-turbine transport helicopter. There are also armed gunship versions.